Tally package is developed by? Answer B. Tally Solutions. Which menu appears after starting Tally for the first time? Answer B. Company Info. Which option is used in Tally to make changes in created company? Answer C. Alter. Which option from company info.menu is selected to create a new company in Tally? Answer B. Create company. Which option is selected from company .info to divide company data into two financial years? Answer C. Split company data. Which option is used to copy company's data into pen drive or CD? Answer A. Backup. Which option is used to place data taken in pen drive or CD to appropriate place in Tally? Answer B. Restore. Which option is used to open company created in Tally? Answer C. Select company. Which option is used in Tally to close opened company? Answer B. Shut company. Which option is used to move from one company to another when more than one companies are open? Answer B. Shut company. Which menu is used to create new ledgers, groups and vouchers types in Tally? Answer D. Masters. Which submenu is used to create new ledgers, groups and vouchers types in Tally? Answer A. Account info. Which submenu is used for voucher entry in Tally? Answer B. Account vouchers. Salary account comes under which head? Answer B. Indirect expenses. How many groups are predefined in Tally? Answer A. 28. How many primary groups are there in Tally? Answer C. 15. How many secondary groups are there in Tally? Answer B. 13. Which option is used to view list of primary and secondary groups in Tally? Answer A. List of accounts. Which ledger is created by Tally automatically as soon as we create a new company? Answer D. Both A and B. Which option is used to make changes in created groups of ledgers in Tally? Answer C. Alter. How many vouchers types are readily available in Tally? Answer A. 18. Which voucher type is used to transfer amount from one bank to another? Answer A. Contra. Rupees 20,000 withdraw from State Bank. In which voucher type this transaction will be recorded? Answer C. Contra. Where do we record transactions of salary, rent or interest paid? Answer D. Payment. Where do we record interest received, commission received or rent received in Tally? Answer C. Receipt. Where do we record cash sales in Tally? Answer B. Receipt. Where do we record credit purchase of furniture in Tally? Answer D. Journal. Where do we record purchase return, sales return, depreciation, bad debts, etc. in Tally? Answer A. Journal. Which of the following equation is true for balance sheet? Answer D. All of these. How many options related to company features are there in F11 features in Tally? Answer A. 3. Which unit is created for stock item like grain, pulse, sugar, oil, ghee, etc.? Answer C. kgs. Which option is used to view trial balance from gateway of Tally? Answer C. Gateway of Tally question mark reports question mark display question mark trial balance. Which option is true for viewing profit and loss account in gateway of Tally? Answer A. Gateway of Tally question mark reports question mark profit and loss account. By default, which mode is on in purchase and sales voucher? Answer B. Item invoice mode. Which step is followed to view purchase register? Answer C. Gateway of Tally question mark display question mark account books question mark purchase register. Which of the following is not compulsory to create with entry in accounts with inventory? Answer C. Stock categories. Which reports are prepared monthly in Tally? Answer C. Trial balance. By which option purchase or sales register can be viewed? Answer C. Accounts books. We can change the company information from answer B. Company info greater than alter. Company restore option is available in answer B. Company information. We can modify an existing company from answer A. Company info greater than alter. Party account can be created through answer B. Ledger creation window. What is the utility of Tally Vault password? Answer C. It will not show the company name in the company select list. We can show bill-wise details of debtors and creditors by activating answer B. Maintain bill-wise details. How many inbuilt accounts group are in Tally by default? Answer B. 31. Suspense account group is defined under answer C. Liabilities. To create manufacturing journal, which option must be activated? Answer D. Use as manufacturing journal. How many types of measurement units we can create in Tally? Answer A. 2.